Luis, do I snore?
You have like a gentle, light snore.
What? Wait, you can hear me in my room snoring.
Oh, no. When you fall asleep on the couch or whatever, it's not bad considering the fact that you only sleep 4 hours, so that's a good thing.
Ryan, did you hear me snore at the hotel room?
I heard you.
I don't think you did.
You do take naps very covertly at the office, and I don't hear snoring.
Yo, I take naps covertly?
You're exactly how you are, just sitting there.
Yeah,
you just
every once in a while I look
do
over
this.
and you're like asleep.
5-10 minutes, whatever, and then you go back up. And that's like a superpower because I've never seen anyone be able to do that.
Appreciate that, bro. I feel like that came straight from the heart.